Today we are going to do standard 6 lesson number 2. Now what are tamed animals? Tamed animals are those animals that we keep in our house. They are also known as domesticated animals. Can you name some of the animals? Tamed animals? Cow, dog, cat, buffalo, sheep. These all are tamed animals. So today we are going to learn a lesson how the dog found himself a new master. This is a humorous story of how a dog became a friend of a man. The story begins in the with the past. In the past, all the animals lived very independently in the forest. Even the dog lived independently in the forest, like how the other wild animals live in the forest. Dogs were once their own masters and they lived as the wolves do. Until one day, a dog was born and he was ill-pleased. He was not happy living in the forest. He was tired, wandering about by himself, looking for food. He was frightened of those who were stronger than him. A thought came to his mind that he decided to become a servant. He wanted to serve a master. So he went in search of a master. He walked in the forest. As he was walking in the forest, he met a kinsman. Now what is kinsman? Kinsman is a relative. A relative means what? Who belongs to the same. Like we have relatives, cousins. In the same way, the dog has a relative, that is the wolf. The dog and the wolf belongs to the same family. In the same way, the cat belongs to the lion's family. So kinsman means the relative. So he found the wolf. The wolf was strong as he was fierce. "Where are you going, dog?" the wolf asked. He said, "I am looking for someone to take up a service." Then he says, "Would you like to join me? Be my servant?" Then the wolf says, "Yes, I will." So the two of them agree and they went in the, they were walking in the forest. As they were walking in the forest, suddenly the wolf lifted his nose and sniffed into the bushes. The wolf got frightened and he hid himself in the bushes. Now, the dog was surprised. What was frightened? What has frightened you, master? He says. "The bear out there, and he may eat us both." So he said that the bear is very strong and he can eat us both. So he says, "Then I cannot serve you. I will go and serve the bear who is stronger. I want to serve the person who is stronger on this earth." So he goes to the bear. The bear agreed and the dog decided to take him up. So the bear said, "Let's go and find a herd and kill a cow and we can both eat it." So they both go walk towards the herd of cow. They saw there are herds of cow in the forest. They go, and what happens? Just where they were about to come up with a cow, they heard a terrible noise. The cows were moving loudly. They were moving here and there, and the bear comes to know there is a lion who is come here, and so the cows are running about here. So fast the bear runs and hid himself in the bushes. So the dog asks, "What happened, master?" And the bear says that there is a lion and he is much more stronger than me. So the dog went and asked the lion, "Will you be my master?" The dog stayed with him and served him for a long time. Now the dog was very happy with the lion. He stayed with the lion for a very, very long time. He got his food on time, and nobody dared to touch this dog. No, any strong animals could come and had no was very happily staying. He was not at all feared of any other animals. Then one day, what happened? A lion roared and punched into the feet on the earth and started moving. And the dog asked, "What happened, master?" The lion, there a man is coming on our way. So he said, there is a man coming on our way and we will be in trouble. So the dog understood that the lion is not the strongest. So he said, he bid a bye to the lion and he went to the man and he offered his service to this man. Now since then the dogs are the most faithful and loyal to the human beings. Till now they serve man very faithfully. Meanings: ill-pleased, old-fashioned way of saying not happy. Kinsman, a relative. Fierce, violent, take up service with, become the servant of. Darted, moved quickly, come over you, affected you. Dared, to be brave enough to do something. Clip, a steep, high rock. Set out, started. Sniffed, drew air up the nose noisily. Offend, annoy. Bare, treeless, uncovered.